to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to load your brush with two colors so that when you paint a stroke, you'll get two colors in one stroke, just like this. So I posted this on my Instagram and a lot of you asked how to do this, so that's what we are going to do today. And I'm going to use this brush. This is a sword brush, so it looks like a dagger brush but it's a bit longer. And this is a brush from my friend. You will find her on Instagram as Shimoni Art, but I'll just put the name in the description box below so that you can search her Instagram account because she sells this brush. And then for the paper, I'm going to use my Etchr sketchbook. So I have a free space in this bigger Etchr sketchbook, so we're going to paint here. For the paints, I'm using lilac and horizon blue, just the same colors that I use here, and they're pastel colors, so they can be a little bit opaque because they have white in this color combination. So let's start. So I'm gonna wet my brush and I'm just going to dip it in the lilac color first. So I've already mixed this a while ago. Okay, so if you want, you can actually try to swatch it first. Okay, I might add a bit more water. And then we are just going to dip the tip into this horizon blue color. So as you can see, some of the colors are actually mixing. And then let's try to paint one stroke. Okay, that's beautiful, and you can see that we have two colors in one stroke. So that's what you have to do. You have to fill this entire brush with like the lighter color, and then the darker color should be just at the tip. And I can dip my brush again in the lilac color. Let me just clean that. And then let's dip it in the horizon blue, or if you don't want to dip your brush, you can get a round brush and dip it in the second color and kind of paint the tip of this sword brush. Let's try again. Okay, so the color is not as prominent, so I guess it's better if we try to dip it directly. And we can paint some more leaves and just we can go over it again. So usually I prefer the second color to be darker. So this is actually a bit light. That's why you can't really see the gradient. But that's basically it. When you're trying to combine two colors in one brush, you just dip the entire brush in one color first and then dip the tip in the second color. So if you have a round brush, you can dip it in the first color. So I've switched to a different set. I'm using the Art Philosophy Currents set. So I'm using a lighter blue, and then we're gonna pick up a darker blue over here that's almost like indigo in color. And then let's try to paint. Okay, so you can see that we started with a dark color, so I'm gonna add a bit more. Okay, so another nice combination is blue and purple. So I already have blue here. Just add some purple. And let's try to paint one leaf. So as you can see, we have a gradient here. We have the lighter blue and the purple over here. Let's do that again. I'm gonna grab the lighter blue color. And then just a tip, I'm going to get purple. And you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there are two colors on my brush. Okay, so now let's try a triangle brush. Now this is the silver brush, the Ruby Satin series, and this is a triangle brush. I'm gonna dip it in the lighter blue and again grab some violet. There we go. We have two colors in one stroke. Let's try it again. And let's see if we can paint a flower. Okay, so I'm just trying to wiggle my brush. Okay, so I need to slightly turn my paper so that it's easier to wiggle. Okay, I'm just gonna leave a white space over there. One more. Then last one. It's a bit of a struggle, but like the effect looks really fun. Okay, so this one would look better if we left more white spaces. Okay, so that's how you do the gradient look. Then you can add just some lines just to give it some more detail. Then we can add just a stem over here. Now it looks like a flower. Okay, so this is also another fun brush that you can use, and I'll be putting all the materials in the description box. Alright, so our video ends here. I hope that I was able to help you in understanding how to load two colors in one brush, and that this tutorial was able to give you a glimpse as well of how to use the other brushes, such as the triangle brush and this sword brush. They're fun brushes to use. You don't really need them. I think a round brush will be sufficient for painting florals, but if you want to explore, you can try out different brushes. So that's it. Thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!